Well, that was a little bit different. What happened, I'll tell you. I got the canvas ready, put the black on, put some white and red on, then did a spatula swipe, and I got this amazing picture. And then I realised you guys weren't there. The camera had switched itself off, so I am not too impressed with having missed the first part, but then it wasn't any big deal. Let me show you what I did. I had some red here, some white here, some white here, and then with this I just went like that. And as you can see, I've got some cell action here and some little markers, but I'm still not finished because I don't know if this will work. I'm going to try and see. But I have some black here, and I want to, and the back end of the paintbrush, I just want to run a few black lines through here so you guys can see it as it's going, and I'm just following the line of paint, and hopefully I won't wreck it. If I wreck it, I will be somewhat upset, but I'll then I will swipe it. There's some black can come down through here. And up through here. And over down here. This is all that I'm doing, and it's coming up quite nicely actually. As this paint that I'm putting on sinks through the other colours. This side's really pretty too. Doesn't seem to have as much paint, so maybe we can have a bit more black here. And have it more negative space. Yes, that's looking good. Actually, take it down. Edge. It's looking good. Well, I'm sorry you missed that first part, but some things are just meant to be, I guess. You know, I don't think I'll mess with that anymore. I quite like it. She says as she wax on a bit more. Right. That's got to be... I think I could have a bit of black here too, you know. Just coming down this edge. Link it in. Yes, see that? Ah, too cool. Okay, I like that. I'll make these a couple of little curls. Little wiggles and waggles. Right, that's it. I'm not messing with that one. Yes, I am. I don't like that bit there. Let's got that. Problem solved. Bring him up, bring him down. That's it. Wiping off of the hands. Then I'm going to torch it. We'll see how we go. Torch. Later. Dropping things everywhere today. Very good. Now there is that part there that I think I'll use this just to bring this up. I think that looks more like a little flower or something reaching for the sky. Okay. I'll bring you down to take a look, and I don't know which way I like this one the best. I think up and down. Alright, I'll bring you down. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More below this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And, oh, which way? There we go. That's what I've been looking at. And this is the bottom. You're more than welcome to come over to Australia Art Dreaming and join us. Have a little bit of fun. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And click the little bell and you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate it when people do that. It really helps me a lot. Oh, that's so pretty, isn't it? Alright, well thank you very much for watching, and sorry you missed the first part, but there we go. Bad things happen sometimes. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.